Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Sonic Speed Simulator and confirming the updated client. This matters because shadow fixes landed in recent patches. Once done, go straight to Graphics and toggle Shadows to On, then choose High or Custom so shadow shaders load. You should join a stable server or a low-latency private lobby. Lag breaks the rendering sequence. You'll notice immediate visual changes. If shadow's still missing, keep the session active while you follow the next technical steps. Now you make the game render the shadow by combining an Android skin that uses lighting maps with environmental sunlight. Equip that skin, step into a bright outdoor map, and face the sun direction. Then execute a rapid dash, followed by a slide, and immediately change the camera angle. This forces the engine to recalc character lighting and spawn the shadow mesh. You're doing this because the client defers shadow creation until lighting and actor motion converge. Timing here is crucial. Finish by verifying the shadow stays after you stop moving. Stand still and slowly rotate the camera to inspect the cast shadow under your Android. If it disappears, clear the game cache and restart the app. Then repeat the dash slide camera sequence because temporary shader compilation often fails. If problems persist, collect exact device model, Android version, graphics preset, and a short video or screenshots. Send those to the developers. They can pinpoint rendering bugs faster when you include.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.